In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the NR4 and NR7 with Breakouts indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have this indicator added to your chart and ready to use, even if you're brand new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this setup. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can search for and add any indicator to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly into that search bar so you can start typing. This is the easiest way to quickly find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists or categories. Now, in the search bar, carefully type NR4 and NR7 with breakouts. Type it slowly enough to avoid typos, because even a small mistake can keep the indicator from showing up in the results. As you type, TradingView will automatically start filtering the available indicators. When you see NR4 and NR7 with breakouts appear in the list below, click on it once. As soon as you select it, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. At this point, you should see new markings or signals on your chart that correspond to the NR4 and NR7 breakout conditions. To make sure the indicator is working the way you want, you'll want to adjust the settings. Look at the top left of your chart, where your list of active indicators is displayed. Find NR4 and NR7 with breakouts there, and click the small settings icon next to its name. That will open the settings panel for this specific indicator. Inside the settings, you can usually adjust things like colors, visibility, and sometimes specific parameters related to the logic of the indicator. Take a moment to explore these options and tailor them to your preferred chart style. For example, you might choose brighter colors so signals stand out more clearly, or simplify the display if your chart feels too busy. When you're happy with your changes, click OK or apply to save the settings. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, look for the sign up link in the video description. Using that link to sign up will give you the same version of the platform I'm using here, so your screen and options will match what you're seeing in this tutorial.